Hey there, fellow travelers. It's me, Dan Ramos, ready to embark on an adventure without the usual head scratching. Today, we are trading city life for the waves of LU, La Union. Get ready for some epic surfing, sunshine, and good vibes. Whether you are a total beginner or just looking for a fun day at the beach, this vlog is for you. So, let's dive in! So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! So hey guys, ngayon pupuntahan natin yung beach park kung saan pwedeng mag-surf. Since mga hapon na kasi nito guys, kailangan yung hanapin yung talagang pang beach ay pang surf na alon. And since wala dun sa tapat ng beach resort na pinuntahan namin, pupuntahan natin yun. By the way guys, ang surfing class pala dito sa Jacobs Surf School is 600 per hour. And plus itong tricycle, like 100 ata, bali 300, balikan siya. And yung 600 per hour pala guys is one-on-one teaching yan. So each person, since tatlo kami, tagsi 600 kami plus 100 pesos for the trike. Since lumipat kami or naghanap kami ng ibang side ng beach kung saan may magandang alon for us. Kasi like 4:30 or 4 p.m. na kasi nung time na ito. So guys, we're here na sa aming pagsasurf.
Ala, galing nun, shit!
So guys, look at me.
Ano, tanga ako. Ano pa, may pogi ka. Tanga tayo. Ay, okay lang. Doon sa far away. Ay, say don't die.
So guys, pwede nyo pala silang i-book by contacting sa FB page nila, or if dun kayo sa may Full House Beach Resort tutuloy, nasa harap lang naman sila. So madali lang guys. So bali guys, dun sa 1 hour na yan, kasama na dun yung 15 minutes basic coaching. So yan guys, tinanong kung sino yung marunong mag-swim or sino yung hindi marunong mag-swim. So kailangan lang nilang malaman para alam nila kung paano kayo i-approach dyan guys. And yan guys, nalaman namin kung ano ba yung gamit ng paddle, yung nasa likod niya, yung pins, yung body ng board, and so on and so forth. So guys, matututo talaga kayo dito. And if you are a beginner like us guys, is huwag kayong mag-alala kasi talagang ituturo talaga nila sa inyo. And sa all throughout sa 1 hour na yun guys, medyo natuto naman kami. And syempre guys, beginner naman, so it takes time talaga ng practice bago ka maging pro sa mga ganyan. And wag din pala kayo guys mahiya if magkakamali kayo kasi talagang ituturo nila and mababait naman sila. And pwede silang kachikahan guys habang nasa tubig kayo. Basta guys, focus pa rin kayo kasi since nandyan naman tayo para matuto or ma-experience etong surfing. And it's a very great experience talaga guys. Kaya once in a lifetime dapat i-try nyo to. So guys, here's the question. What can you expect when you come to LU for surfing? So first of all guys, the vibe is super chill talaga and the waves here are perfect for beginners, especially here in Urbistondo, San Juan. Kasi dito kami guys nag-book ng aming resort kung saan dito kami tumutuloy. And ang talagang purpose talaga namin kasi dito talaga is to try the surfing. And you'll find plenty of surf school din around dun sa vicinity na yon. Like, hindi lang naman ito guys yung surf school na nag-o-offer. Meron din yung Classic LU. Pero sa amin kasi guys, since mas malapit sila sa tinutuluyan namin, dito na lang kami nagpa-book. And yung rates naman nila guys, hindi nagkakalayo. Now guys, let's talk about what to bring or the things that you need before you start surfing. So of course guys, you need a swimwear or anything guys as long as you are comfortable with it. But for us guys, mas maganda sigurong isuot nyo guys is yung talagang comfortable kayo na damit. At saka pag nasa wave kayo guys, expect nyo yung damit nyo is minsan tataas-taas. Kaya mas maganda kung yung damit nyo is fit talaga sa inyo and hindi siya maluwang, hindi siya masikip. Talagang very comfortable and fit sa katawan nyo. And next guys, sunscreen. Especially guys kung mas maaga kayong mag-start. Since hapon na sa amin, hindi na kami nag-sunscreen. Since ano na siya guys, mga 5 p.m. or quarter to 5 or 4 tong time na to. And then, pwede rin kayo guys mag-bring ng water if you want to stay hydrated pa rin. And of course, towel guys kasi medyo parang 10 minutes away ito mula dun sa resort na tinutuluyan namin. So yun guys, and if you have anything else na nakalimutan kong i-mention, comment down below para alam ng ibang viewers. So, as you can see guys, dito sa video, talagang itinuturo yung tamang stand, tamang pagtayo, tamang pag-balance kapag nasa water na. And later guys, ipapakita ko rin kung saan pinatry sa amin guys, yung tamang pagtayo and tamang pag-balance while nandito pa lang sa lupa bago kami talagang sinabak sa water. Talagang i-briefing muna kayo, bibigyan kayo ng orientation, ng mga do's and don'ts na gagawin para for safety na rin guys. Lalo na guys, kapag yung sa may fins ng boards guys, very delikado siya. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat tayo dun, especially kapag nasa water kung saan guys yung balat natin is talagang basa, and once na parang madampi dun guys, pwedeng mag-cause ng sugat or ng wound, something ganon. Basta guys, isasabihin naman dyan once na inorient kayo. So next question guys is where to book your surfing lesson here in LU. So guys, there are tons of surf schools along Orbistondo Beach. So you can just walk around guys, and maraming nag-offer doon and you'll find lots of options. But for us, we book our lesson with Jacob Surf School. And so guys, yan, after the 15 minutes basic orientation or yung pagtiteach nila sa amin is yan, pinatry sa amin guys yung tamang pagsampa, pagtayo, and pagbalance kapag nasa tubig na. As you can see guys, one-on-one teaching talaga ito. So, per student, merong naka-assign na instructor, depende sa kanila. So, yan guys, bali tatlo talaga sila since tatlo kaming tuturuan nila. And hindi kayo mararattle or kakabahan kasi talagang very certified talaga silang nagtuturo and local sila dyan. Kaya alam nila kung ano yung ginagawa talaga nila. So guys, here are some of the few tips that I can give to you as a beginner din dito sa surfing. So guys, first is you really need to listen to your instructor. Kasi guys, they know what they are doing. Professional sila and certified sila sa kanyan. Kaya dapat guys, talagang makikinig kayo and tatandaan nyo kung ano yung mga sinasabi nila. And next guys is don't be afraid to fall or magkamali kasi it's part of the learning process guys. So just enjoy guys, and kung may mali man kayong nagawa, i-correct naman ng mga instructor natin yun, which is sila guys, and talagang ipapatry nila ulit sa'yo as long as makuha mo yung tamang balance, tamang stand, yun guys. And most importantly guys is have fun. It's all about enjoying the experience kasi guys, aanhin mo pa kung trinay mo to tapos hindi mo rin na-enjoy, diba? So yun lang guys, huwag nyo masyadong i-take seriously na kailangan ma-perfect nyo for the first time. Kailangan guys, andun pa rin yung eagerness nyo to learn and you are having a great time with this experience.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so it's time to hit the water. As you can see, it's not always easy, but when you do catch a wave, it's an amazing feeling. So it takes time guys, you need to be patient especially for waiting the waves. Kasi guys, hindi siya basta-bastang talagang itatry mo lang tapos andun na. Talagang hintayin mo guys yung perfect wave para makagalaw ka dyan sa tubig.
later.
So finally guys, we are done after the 1 hour surfing lesson. So yan guys, pabalik na tayo ulit sa beach resort na ating tutuluyan.
Ngayon? Ay, doon sila. Punta tayo.
So guys, after our surf session, we are just chilling on the beach and enjoying the view. And also guys, there are so many great food options here. And here we are, we grabbed some ice cream from a local vendor and it was so delicious after the surf lesson. And that's our LU surfing adventure. We had an amazing time and we hope you are inspired to try surfing for yourself. If you are looking for a fun and exciting beach getaway, LU is the perfect place. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more adventures, and leave a comment below if you ever tried surfing. So see you in the next one.
A few moments later.
So guys, here is the view pala kapag gabi na dito sa may beach resort na ito. And to wrap up our night, nagpunta lang kami guys sa tavern for Chill Numan. And hindi siya yung super party guys talaga. Talagang Chill Numan with friends. Yun lang. Or baka it depends din guys kasi Monday kami nagpunta dito. If you love this adventure, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tales. Where should I go next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep wandering and discovering the beauty the world has to offer. Safe travels!